Good morning to all. In the last lecture, we have seen that is a mechanism of organic reaction. We have completed the topic mechanism of organic reaction, and today we start a new topic, that is alkyl and aryl halide. Now, we see first the introductory part of halogen derivative of alkane. As this topic is already studied in 12th standard, so we study some basic part of halogen derivative of alkane. Halogen derivative of alkane is when one or more hydrogen atom of saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon or aromatic hydrocarbon are replaced by corresponding number of halogen atom, that is a chlorine, bromine or iodine. Then the new compound obtained are called halogen derivative of alkane or aryls. That is the compound obtained by replacing hydrogen atom by halogen atom from alkane is called as halogen derivative of alkane. यानी अल्केन से एक या एक से ज्यादा हाइड्रोजन एटम रिप्लेस करना है हेलोजन एटम से, तो जो कंपाउंड ऑब्टेन होगा उस कंपाउंड को हम कहेंगे halogen derivative of alkane. That is the compound obtained by replacing hydrogen atom from alkane by halogen atom, that is by chlorine or bromine or iodine. The compound obtained is called as halogen derivative of alkane. Now examples. Now see here, from ethane CS3 CS3. So replace one hydrogen atom by, that is a halogen atom. We replace by iodine atom. Then what is the formula? CS3CH2I, that is ethyl iodide or iodoethane. Similarly, from propane CS3CH2CS3. Now we replace one hydrogen atom from central carbon by chlorine atom. Then the compound is 2-chloropropane, or common name is isopropyl chloride. Now from isobutane CS3CH CS3CH2Br, that is from here is the CS3, and one hydrogen atom from this isobutane is replaced by bromine atom. So it is isobutyl bromide. Isobutyl bromide. Now this we have shown here, that is alkane RH. Here R is the alkyl group. We can take methyl group, ethyl group, N-propyl, isopropyl, etc. And this is the hydrogen atom. So this hydrogen atom from alkane is replaced by halogen atom. So what is obtained here? RX, where R is alkyl group and X is halogen atom. So alkyl halide. Now examples of halogen derivative of alkane. CS3Cl, that is methane CH4. Replace one hydrogen atom of methane by chlorine atom. Then which compound is obtained? CS3Cl, and its name is methyl chloride. Similarly, ethane C2H6. Replace one hydrogen atom by, that is a bromine atom. Then what is the formula? C2H5Br. And what is the name? Ethyl bromide. Now, next is classification of halogen derivative of alkane. Now, depending upon number of halogen atom present in their molecule, halogen derivative of alkane are classified as monohalogen derivative. So depending upon number of halogen atom present in their molecule, यानी जो मॉलिक्यूल है हेलोजन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ अल्कीन का, उसमें कितने मॉलिक्यूल्स हेलोजन एटम है, उस बेसिस पर हेलोजन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ अल्कीन को फॉलोइंग क्लासेस में क्लासिफाई किया गया है. नंबर 1, मोनो हेलोजन डेरिवेटिव. नो, mono is a Greek word. Mono means one. So the halogen derivative containing one halogen atom in a molecule. यानी इनमें एक हेलोजन एटम प्रेजेंट होता है. They contain one halogen atom. Now general formula for this monohalogen derivative is CnH2n plus 1x, or they are also represented as Rx because CnH2n plus 1 is the general formula for alkyl group. So they are represented as Rx. For example, methyl chloride CH3Cl. So these are monohalogen derivative because they contain one halogen atom. Second is dihalogen derivative. Now di means two. So they contain two halogen atom. The halogen derivative containing two halogen atom in a molecule. Now they have general formula CnH2nX2. Here two halogen atoms are present. Now these two halogen atom may be present on same carbon, or they may be present on different carbon also. यानी दो हेलोजन एटम एक ही कार्बन से आप रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं, that is present हो सकते हैं, या that is two halogen atoms are present on different carbon also. So here methane CH4, दो हाइड्रोजन एटम मीथेन से रिप्लेस कीजिए दो क्लोरीन एटम से. So what is the formula? CH2Cl2, methylene chloride. Now ethylene chloride, ethane CH3-CH3. Now पहले कार्बन से एक हाइड्रोजन एटम रिप्लेस कीजिए ब्रोमीन एटम से, और दूसरे कार्बन से एक हाइड्रोजन एटम रिप्लेस करना है ब्रोमीन एटम से. डिफरेंट कार्बन से हमने यहाँ पर हाइड्रोजन एटम रिप्लेस किए. सो दैट इज द टू हाइड्रोजन एटम may be present on same carbon or different carbon. So ethylene dibromide. Next, trihalogen derivative. Now tri means three. So they contain three halogen atom. So the halogen derivative containing three halogen atom in a molecule. Example, that is a मीथेन. अगर मीथेन लेंगे CH4, तीन हाइड्रोजन एटम निकालकर तीन क्लोरीन एटम लगाना है आपको. दैट इज थ्री हाइड्रोजन एटम आर रिप्लेस फ्रॉम मीथेन बाय थ्री क्लोरीन एटम. देन व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? CHCl3, and its name is chloroform, or it is also called as trichloromethane. Next is tetrahalogen derivative. They are also called as polyhalogen derivative. Tetra means four. So the halogen derivative containing, that is a four halogen atom present in their molecule, is called as, that is a tetrahalogen derivative. Now example, methane, that is CH4, all the four hydrogen atom of methane is replaced by fluorine, or that is chlorine atom. If we replace by fluorine, then what is the formula? That is CF4, and its name is carbon tetrafluoride. And if we replace this by chlorine atom, then its name is, or its formula is first CCl4, and its name is, that is carbon tetrafluoride. So this is the classification of halogen derivative of alkane. Now next, the first derivative, that is monohalogen derivative of alkane, we have seen, that is they contain one halogen atom, and the monohalogen derivative of alkane is also called as alkyl halide. The monohalogen derivative of alkane is called as alkyl halide. They are represented by general formula CnH2n plus 1x, or they are represented as Rx. So this is the alkyl halide. Now alkyl halides are again classified into three classes depending upon the nature of कार्बन एटम टू विच हेलोजन एटम इज अटैच, यानी जिस कार्बन से हेलोजन एटम अटैच है उसका नेचर क्या है। नेचर मीन्स वो कार्बन प्राइमरी कार्बन है या वो कार्बन सेकेंडरी कार्बन है या वो कार्बन टर्शरी कार्बन है। सो व्हाट इज मीन बाय प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी एंड tertiary carbon? We have seen a primary carbon, a carbon which is attached to only one carbon is called as primary carbon. A carbon which is attached to two other carbon atom, it is called secondary carbon. They are also called 2-degree carbon. Tertiary carbon, a carbon which is attached to three other carbon atom is called as tertiary carbon. So alkyl halides are classified into three classes. Primary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide, हेलोजन एटम अटैच टू प्राइमरी कार्बन। यानी प्राइमरी alkyl halide में क्या होता है, हेलोजन एटम प्राइमरी कार्बन से अटैच होता है। और प्राइमरी कार्बन यानी क्या, ऐसा कार्बन जो एक कार्बन से अटैच होता है, ऐसा कार्बन जो तीन हाइड्रोजन से अटैच होता है, दैट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज प्राइमरी कार्बन। सो इन प्राइमरी alkyl halide, हेलोजन एटम अटैच टू प्राइमरी कार्बन। एग्जाम्पल देखिए, यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल बता, CH3CH2Cl, क्लोरीन एटम इस कार्बन से अटैच है CH2 से। तो व्हाट इज द नेचर ऑफ दिस कार्बन? इट इज प्राइमरी बिकॉज इट इज अटैच टू ओनली वन कार्बन। सो इन प्राइमरी alkyl halide, हेलोजन एटम अटैच टू प्राइमरी कार्बन। नाउ सेकेंडरी alkyl halide, in secondary alkyl halide, हेलोजन एटम अटैच टू सेकेंडरी कार्बन। यानी प्राइमरी alkyl halide में हेलोजन एटम प्राइमरी कार्बन से अटैच होता है और सेकेंडरी alkyl halide में सेकेंडरी कार्बन से अटैच होता है। सो सी हियर एग्जांपल, दैट इज CH3 CHI एंड हियर CH3। यानी हेलोजन एटम जिस कार्बन से अटैच है उसका नेचर क्या है? इट इज सेकेंडरी बिकॉज दिस कार्बन is attached to two other carbon atom. So it is called secondary alkyl halide. Now next is tertiary alkyl halide. So in tertiary alkyl halide, that is a halogen atom attached to tertiary carbon atom. In tertiary alkyl halide, halogen atom attached to tertiary carbon atom. So see here example, tertiary butyl bromide, that is this Br atom is attached to this carbon and this carbon is attached to three other carbon atom. So it is the tertiary carbon and it is a tertiary alkyl halide. Name is tertiary butyl bromide because Br atom attached to this carbon and the nature of this carbon is, that is tertiary. Its name is tertiary butyl bromide. So that is alkyl halides are classified into three classes. Primary alkyl halide, in which halogen atom attached to primary carbon. Example, that is ethyl chloride. Secondary alkyl halide, halogen atom attached to secondary carbon. Example, isopropyl iodide. Tertiary alkyl halide, halogen atom attached to tertiary carbon. Example is tertiary butyl bromide. Now next is, that is a nomenclature of alkyl halide. Now nomenclature means naming of organic compound. Naming of organic compound is called nomenclature. There are two systems for nomenclature of alkyl halide: common name system and IUPAC name system. Now we see one by one. First is common name system. That is how alkyl halides are named in common name system. So very simple system is there. That is, in common name system, alkyl halides are named by adding the word halide after the name of alkyl group. alkyl group के आगे word halide का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। अगर X है तो halide, X means halogen, Cl अगर है तो chloride, Br अगर है तो bromide, I अगर है तो iodide. So in common name system, alkyl halides are named by adding the word, that is halide, after the name of alkyl group. यानी alkyl group के आगे word halide इस्तेमाल करेंगे। क्लोरीन है, क्लोराइड इस्तेमाल करेंगे। ब्रोमीन है, ब्रोमाइड इस्तेमाल करेंगे। आयोडीन है, आयोडाइड इस्तेमाल करेंगे। Now the prefix n, small n, that is normal, iso or sec or tertiary, that is tert, these are used in common name system. So this is the common name system. Now second is IUPAC system or IUPAC nomenclature. That is what is long form of IUPAC? Yes, can anybody tell me the long form of IUPAC? I means international, U means union, P means pure, A means applied, and C means chemistry. That is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So certain rules are there for giving IUPAC name to alkyl halide. And by using this rule, we see some examples of that is common and IUPAC name nomenclature of alkyl halide. So what are the rules? That is first rule, that is select the longest continuous chain of carbon atom containing halogen atom. देखिए अल्केन के IUPAC nomenclature के रूल देखे हैं हमने, अल्किन के भी देखे हैं, तो मैक्सिमम रूल वही है, स्लाइट चेंज इज देयर इन दैट इज फर्स्ट रूल क्या है अल्किल हैलाइड का, दैट इज फॉर नोमेनक्लेचर ऑफ IUPAC nomenclature, select the longest continuous chain of carbon atom containing halogen atom. यानी कार्बन की लंबी जंजीर सिलेक्ट करना है, लेकिन उस लंबी जंजीर में लॉन्गेस्ट चेन में हेलोजन एटम प्रेजेंट होना जरूरी है. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट रूल, दैट इज सिलेक्ट द लॉन्गेस्ट कंटिन्यूअस चेन ऑफ कार्बन एटम कंटेनिंग हेलोजन एटम. नंबर 2, that is give numbering to the selected chain in such a way that carbon carries halogen atom has given the lowest number or smaller number. यानी जिस कार्बन पर हेलोजन एटम अटैच है उसे कम से कम नंबर आना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल सी दिस एग्जांपल 2-chlorobutane. दिस इज द लॉन्गेस्ट चेन. सो फ्रॉम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड वी हैव टू गिव नंबर. अगर हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड देंगे तो 1 2 3 4 यानी कार्बन नंबर 2 पर क्लोरीन आएगा, और अगर हम राइट हैंड साइड से देंगे तो कितने पर आएगा? 1 2 3 पर आएगा. विच इज द करेक्ट नंबरिंग? दैट इज फ्रॉम left hand side. Give numbering in such a way that carbon carries halogen atom has given the lesser number. यानी कार्बन जिस कार्बन से हेलोजन एटम अटैच है उसे कम से कम नंबर देना चाहिए. So that is the 2-chlorobutane. Now next, the word hello is used. The word hello is used before the name of parent alkane. The word hello is used बिफोर द नेम ऑफ पैरेंट अल्केन. X अगर है तो हेलो इस्तेमाल करेंगे, Cl अगर है फर्ज की तो ब्रोमो इस्तेमाल, Cl अगर है तो क्लोरो इस्तेमाल करेंगे, Br अगर है तो ब्रोमो लेंगे, और अगर I है तो आयोडो यूज करेंगे बाय प्रॉपर नंबर. सो प्रीफिक्सेस दैट इज क्लोरो, ब्रोमो एंड आयोडो आर यूज्ड फॉर क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन and iodine respectively. Next, if two different groups are attached, then arrange according to alphabetical order. दो ग्रुप हैं फर्ज कीजिए, सो एक क्लोरीन है और एक मिथाइल है, सो अल्फाबेटिकली जो पहले आता है वो ग्रुप हम पहले लिखेंगे. सो इफ डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स आर देयर, अरेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट इज alphabetical order by proper number. So at carbon, see this example, at carbon number 2 there is chlorine atom, so 2-chloro and straight chain contain 4 carbon, so 2-chlorobutane. Now we see some examples for common and IUPAC nomenclature of alkyl halide. Now first, that is CH3Cl, so common name and then IUPAC name. The name of CH3 group, that is methyl group. Name of CH3 group is methyl group. So methyl and Cl is there, so chloride, methyl chloride. Now IUPAC name, now for chlorine which prefix is used? Chloro, and 1 carbon atom is there, so methane, chloromethane, chloromethane. Next, CH3CH2Br, common name CH3CH2 group, that is ethyl group, and Br is there, so in common name for Br, bromide is used. So ethyl bromide is the common name. Now for which prefix is used for IUPAC nomenclature of Br? That is bromo. Bromo is used, bromo, and there are 2 carbon atoms, so bromoethane. So bromoethane. Next, CH3CH2CH2I, that is N-propyl iodide. There are 3 carbon and these 3 carbons are in straight chain. So N-propyl and I is there, so iodide, N-propyl iodide. Now IUPAC name, this is the straight chain, give numbering, that is halogen जिस carbon पे attach है उसे कम number आना चाहिए, 1, 2, 3. So 1 iodopropane. 1 iodopropane. Next, CS3, CHCl, and here CS3. What is the common name? Isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride. 1, 2, 3. So at carbon number 2, chlorine atom is there. So 2-chloropropane. 2-chloropropane is the IUPAC name. Now next, CS3, CH2, CH2, CH2Br. So 4 carbon in straight chain. So here N-butyl, N-butyl, and Br is there. So bromide, N-butyl bromide. If we give the IUPAC name, that is at carbon numbering should be given from right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So एक पर bromine है इसलिए 1 bromo and straight chain contain 4 carbon atom. So 1 bromobutane. This is CS3, CH2, CHBr, and here CS3. Bromine जिस कार्बन पे अटैच है उसका नेचर क्या है? इट इज सेकेंडरी. सो सेक ब्यूटिल ब्रोमाइड, सेकेंडरी ब्यूटिल ब्रोमाइड. Now if you give the numbering from right hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 bromo and straight chain contain 4 carbon. So 2 bromobutane. Next, CS3C, CS3, CS3 and Br. Tertiary butyl bromide. Tertiary butyl bromide is the common name. Now IUPAC name, this is the longest chain, CS3C, CS3, 1, 2, 3. देखिए कार्बन नंबर 2 पर ब्रोमीन है और कार्बन नंबर 2 पर CS3 ग्रुप है. सो 2 ब्रोमो 2 मिथिल प्रोपेन. दैट इज 2 पर ब्रोमीन है इसलिए 2 ब्रोमो, 2 पर मिथिल ग्रुप है इसलिए 2 मिथिल. या 2 डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स आर देयर, सो वी हैव टू अरेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू अल्फाबेटिकल order. So 2 bromo 2 methyl propane. Next, CS3 CH, CS3 CH2 Br. It is isobutyl bromide, isobutyl bromide, and its IUPAC name is, that is देखिए 1, 2, 3. At carbon number 1 bromine atom is there, so 1 bromo. At carbon number 2 methyl group is there, so 2 methyl, and straight chain contain 3 carbon, so 1 bromo 2 methyl propane is the IUPAC name. Next, this is CS3 C, CS3 CS3, here CH2 and Br. So here is one central carbon contain, that is central carbon is attached to 4 other carbon. So a carbon which is attached to 4 other carbon atom is called as neocarbon, is called as neocarbon. So it is neopentyl bromide, neopentyl bromide, and its IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3. 1 ब्रोमो, एक पर ब्रोमीन है और कार्बन नंबर 2 पर 2 मिथाइल ग्रुप है, ऊपर भी है और नीचे भी है. सो इट इज 2,2 डाइमिथाइल and straight chain contain 3 carbon, so it is propane, that is 1 bromo 2,2 dimethyl propane. So these are the examples of common and IUPAC nomenclature of alkane. You solve more example from, that is the book. If you have any difficulty, please ask.